Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi everyone, I'm Professor Belfrost. Nice to meet you all. And today I will discuss about some problems that I've collected so far, but I will pick just three for today because there are many interesting problems. This is from many examination papers that my students give it to me. So I have prepared three questions, one mathematics, one chemistry, and one physics. So I want you now to prepare your smartphone or your laptop and take a screenshot, take a capture of the slide that I'll give you later. Okay, so there are three questions. So I want you to capture the question and do it first by yourself before uh, you play the video and watch the solution. Okay, so take a screenshot and then pause the video. Okay, so here the first question. This is physics question, and second and third questions, mathematics and chemistry. Are you ready? Okay, let's jump into the solution. So the first is about physics. So I'll not read the questions to you, but I want you to follow along. So we are given the equation for potential energy VR equals kr squared over 2. From this equation, we can find the force. Okay, what is the force? Force is the derivative of VR to dr. So we can write it as follows. So F absolute, because when we need the magnitude, equals dv over dr. Hence, we have F equals k times r. And also we notice that for a circular motion, the centripetal force can be expressed as below. F equals mv squared over r. So we have kr equals mv squared over r. And after we doing some manipulation, then we have v equals r times the square root of k over m. The next thing is also we need to find the angular momentum, the L, by the formula L equals mvr. Okay, so by plugging in the phi that we have found, so L equals m times r times square root of k over m times r. So we have with us this L equals r squared times square root of mk. So you need to change now the small r to be capital R and rearranging the terms, and we will have this form that suits the option B and C. So the correct statements are B and C. So that's for the first question. The second question is about mathematics, and for mathematics, I want you to sketch first before you do the problem, before you solve the problem. That's very important. Okay, so we have the information PQ and QR length, and also we have the angle of PQR. So you can sketch like this. And now we need to find what? Uh, we need to find the angle of QPR. And we lack one information, PR. So we need to find it using the law of cosine, which is I give you in the slide. So let's use this formula. We plug all the information that we have, and it gives us C equals 10. So we have 10 PR, QR is also 10. It means that the angle of Q and the angle of P must be the same value. So we have 30 with Q and P must be 30. So the option, the statement 45 degree is absolutely wrong. Okay, so A is wrong. I can eliminate this. Now we come to B. We need to find the area of triangle. So it's easy, right? To find the area of triangle just using the sine rule. So we have this half times PQ times QR times sine 30 degree. So we have the total area of 25 times square root of 3. And also we can obtain the QRP angle by using the information that we have gotten so far. So 180 degree minus 30 degree minus 30 degree equals 120 degree. How you can follow, right? So we have obtained the area and also obtained the angle of arm, and both suits the statement in the problem. So the B option is correct. So now we need to find the radius of the incircle of triangle. How to find it? We can just use a formula that you may have learned, but I will show you how to derive this. First, you need to sketch, yeah, like before. So let's derive the formula. Okay, so it's easier for us to think after we look in the sketch. So the ABC triangle area is actually consists of AOB, BOC plus AOC. Okay, so because we are sure about this, then we have this. I hope that you already can derive this because that's actually very easy first to do. That is just a triangle formula, right? Half times base times height. So we have the total area, the triangle is this. Half times A plus B plus C times R. So we can obtain the R by changing the position of the elements, the terms, okay? So we find the R values. The R values is 50 times square root of 3 by 10 times square root of 3 plus 20. But this is not the most simple form. So we need to simplify this equation by multiplying with the terms that I've given in the slide. So at last, we have R equals 10 times square root of 3 minus 50. But let's check if there's the thing that we need to find. Yes, so there's the last thing that we need to find out for C, and it suits the statement that's given. So C is correct too. Now we are going to solve D, the area of circumcircle of triangle PQR. So yeah, you can also use the formula that also may have been given to you, but I choose the second way. I want to derive it for you, so I'll make it become clearer. So you first also need to sketch it first, like the one that I show you. Okay, so we can break it to be smaller. So we see only BDO triangle. So we have this formula: sin theta equals A over 2R. And the area of the triangle is basically just half times BC sin theta. Sin theta, we have obtained it. So we just plug it in and we get the formula A times B times C over 4R. A, B, and C is just the edges of the triangle, okay? So we already have it. So R equals A times B times C over 4A. So the circumcircle area must be here. That's shown in the formula. Easy. Now we are ready to find the area of the circumcircle by finding the R first, right? So we have find the R by using the given formula. So we have 10 with us, and the area of circumcircle, yeah, of course, there is pi times r square. So pi times 10 square, that is 100 pi. Also, this value is the same as given statement in the problem. So this also correct. So the correct statements is B, R, B, C, and D. Okay. Next, we will solve the third, that is chemistry problem. For this, maybe we will need more formulas because there are no ways to derive it. Yeah, so we need to know a little formula that the density of a cubic unit cell given by this d equals z times m capital over a cubic times n n a is the Avogadro number, a is the edge length, m is the molecular weight, and z is the number of atoms per unit cell. Okay, so we have been given the information in the problem that a equals 400 pm, that equals to 4 times 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters. So we can obtain m, right? Oh yeah, so for FCC, z is 4. This information is not given, I think. Yeah, this information is not provided, but we need to know to solve this problem. So m equals d times a cube times na over z. Also, na is not given, okay? Because na is just a basic constant, the Avogadro number. You need to know this already if you want to solve the problem. So after doing some calculation, we come with the answer 76.8. So that's the molecular weight of the compound. So we also have another formula, n equals little m over capital M times Na. Yeah, m is the mass, yeah, given mass of the substance compound. Capital M is the molecular weight, and is Avogadro number. So we can just plug all the information. We have given that the mass is of, okay, so the number of atoms present in 256. So the little m is 256 over the capital M 76.8 times Na, and we get the number of atoms, that is 2 times 10 to the power of 24. But you see that the problem gives us that it is given in form of n times 10 to the power of 24. So we just need to pick the integer. So the n that the problem means is 2. Okay, so the answer for this question is 2. Okay, so there's 3 questions that I want to discuss with you today. 3 problems actually. Yeah. So later I will discuss more and more challenging problems, yeah, that I have prepared. Yeah, I have the book of collection of problems from many examinations and, yeah, and entrance exams of college. So I will show this for you and discuss it. If you have any suggestion, you may leave a comment. So if you have certain topic that you want to know for more, you can also leave me a comment. Okay, so here inspiration for you today. Helen Keller once said, the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Yeah, this also includes learning. Yeah, you cannot just see with the cover. It's not as interesting, but when you start learning, yeah, you'll feel something that completely different. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Here is your to-do list for today. Subscribe to this channel, give a like to every video, yeah, includes upcoming videos, comment about your thought, and share this video to your friend. Okay, so my class will be on Saturday every week, so keep watching and be thoughtful. Goodbye, see you.